As we start into learning how to step for salsa, there are a few more other things that you might want to work on or to know before you kickstart into your basic steps. Okay? Now the second thing that I want you to think is, when you normally stand, your weight may be on the heel or on the toe, but usually when we stand, the weight is on the heel. Yeah, if I'm just waiting or something. But when we dance, even if your heel is down, I want you to feel your weight on the balls of the feet. Okay, this is the balls of the feet on your toe, not the toes. Don't use the don't clutch with your toes, but you're going to stay comfortably on the balls of the feet. Okay. Now, when I'm standing normally, I'm going to slightly lean forward so that my weight is felt on the balls of the feet. Okay. The next thing that you need to look is your knees. Try not to lock your knees. Okay. I'm showing from my elbows what you shouldn't be doing with your legs. This is, do not lock your knees. It's a little soft all the time. This is also helpful because you don't want to injure your knees on the long run. So you want to keep your knees a little soft. So now, two things. Knee is softer and my weight is on the balls of the feet. Okay. Now, while stepping, you might see a lot of people dancing like this. So should the heel go down or not? We will come back to that later. But even if your heel is touching the floor, the weight will still be on the balls of the feet. Okay, so for example, if I'm here, my weight is naturally on the balls of the feet. When I'm here, my weight is still on the balls of the feet. So this is something that you can first stand and check and feel and figure out how do you feel and where your weight is in. Okay, the next thing, the stepping. This is like very natural movement. Okay, dancing is very natural movement. The only thing is you have to figure out how natural it feels. So sometimes you're not aware what your body can do. So that's why dancing is actually helping you to explore your body and to figure out how everything is working. Okay, so when we step, for at least for the basic steps or for intermediate level, every time you step your feet, you're not stepping with your entire foot on the floor, or you're not stepping with the heel. So usually when you walk, you're walking like the heel and then you change your weight. Walk with the heel, touch with the heel, and then you shift your weight. While dancing, we're going to do the reverse. We're going to go on the balls of the feet and then we're going to press it down. We're going to step on the balls of the feet and then we're going to step down. You're going to step on the balls of the feet and then we're going to go down. Okay? So again, we still engage our feet. We don't dance with only the toes. Yeah? So it is important that you touch with the toes, the balls of the feet, and then you're going to press down. You're going to step with the balls of the feet, press down, step with the balls of the feet, stress down, step down, press down. Okay, now this is something that we will constantly keep working on. So these are like your preparation into stepping into your basic. Okay, so knees bent, weight on the balls of the feet, and whenever you're stepping, it's always from the balls of the feet to the heel. It's toe to heel, and toe to heel. Okay, so now try to feel this or figure out this before you go to the next video and then start into your basics of salsa.